Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we're going to be walking you through on how you can buy the Davido token on Solana using the Phantom wallet. So in our previous video, we walked you through on how you can buy the Davido token using the SolFlare wallet. So for those who are more familiar with the Phantom wallet, this video is for you. However, if you do not have the Phantom wallet, you can always download it from your Play Store or App Store depending on your device, and ensure to set it up by storing your seed phrase in a safe place. So when setting up your Phantom wallet, you'll be presented with 12 words. These are your seed phrase. Ensure to write it down because these are the access to your wallet. And if you lose these words, you will no longer have access to your wallet. Alright guys, so let's get started with the video. So first off, you need to open up your Phantom wallet. Alright, so once your Phantom wallet is opened up, ensure that you have Solana tokens in it. Okay, so if you do not have Solana tokens in your Phantom wallet, you need to fund your Phantom wallet with Solana. And how will you do this? You just simply tap on Solana, then you tap on receive, and then you tap on copy. So you copy this Solana address and paste it on the centralized exchange like Binance, which is where you'll be sending your Solana from. So, or if you have a friend that wants to send Solana to you, just send a friend this receiving address and then Solana will come into your wallet. Alright guys, so once the Solana has been credited to your wallet, what you need to do next is to tap on the inner browser beneath. Okay, so when you tap on the inner browser beneath, then you tap on Jupiter. So this is the DEX we'll be using to buy the Davido token. Okay, so the site is jup.ag, that is jup.aggregator, jup.ag. Okay, so this is the swap interface and we need to connect our wallet. So you just tap on connect and then you tap on Phantom, which is the wallet we're using for this demonstration. Okay, so you tap on connect again, and I believe our wallet should be connected soon. So let's just wait for this to connect. Okay, so it's connecting our Phantom wallet. Okay, so let's just wait for our wallet to get connected to the Jupiter exchange. Alright, so our wallet is connected now, and what we need to do now is to trade our Solana for Davido tokens. And to do this, first off, we need to ensure that Solana is at the top. So where we have USDC, we ensure that we have Solana there. So just tap on this arrow at the center and then it will move the Solana to the top. And we can see our balance, our Solana balance is 0.575, which also shows that our wallet is connected to the DEX. So where we have USDC, this is where we now have to impute the contract address for the Davido token. And how do we get this? We use an app called DEX Screener to get this. Okay, so we just simply tap on DEX Screener. If you do not have the DEX Screener app, can be downloaded from your Play Store, your App Store, depending on your device. Alright, so once we open up DEX Screener, then we tap on the search icon beneath. Alright, so you see a search icon beneath, and then where we have the search field, we just impute Davido. Okay, so wait for this to come up. Alright, so this is when we impute Davido, then we can see different Davido options, but what we're looking for is the Davido that has an image on it. Okay, so we can tap on the Davido that has the image on it, is also known as timeless Davido. Alright, so we can see that the market cap is $7.6 million. We can see that the price is 0.07826, and we can see that it has a volume of about $43.8 million, which is massive. And then we can also see that it has the different statistics like the buys and the sells, and then the buy volume and the sell volume. So we scroll up, we can also see when the pair was created about 5 hours 30 minutes ago. So what we need is the contract address. So when we have the $Davido and we see the contract address beside it, we start with a 9LAJK5 and ends with 6JWN. This is the contract address we're looking for. Just tap on it to copy, and then we head back to our Phantom wallet. Okay, so we head back to our Phantom wallet, wait for this to open up again. Okay, so let's quickly head back to the DEX, that is the Jupiter DEX that we intend to use for this trade. Okay, Okay, our wallet is connected. All right, so this is where we left off. So what we want to do now is a change where we have the USDC, and then we tap on it, and then we paste the contract address where we have search by token or paste address, and then we tap on Davido. We agree and confirm to import the Davido token. Now we've imported Davido token, so we can now trade our Solana for Davido. And how do we do this? We impute the quantity of Solana that I want to use for this trade, and in this case I want to use 0.02 Sol, which is worth about $3 to trade for Davido. That would give us about 442 tokens of Davido. All right guys, so let's go right ahead to tap on swap. Okay, so we are waiting for the transaction to go through, and then we tap on confirm. Okay, so let's wait for the transaction to get processed. So the transaction is processing. Okay. Alright, great. Our transaction has been confirmed. So we successfully swapped 0.02 worth of Solana for 446 units of Davido token. So how can we see this? We head back to our home interface and we refresh our Phantom wallet, and we can see that our token is now in our wallet. So once we see this, rest assured that the transaction has been successful and you have successfully purchased the Davido token. I hope this video has been helpful, guys. Also, I also want you guys to know that you can always head over to Davido's social on Twitter to just check out the update regarding his newly launched token. So we can just search for Davido on X. All right, so just tap on his handle. Okay, and we can see all of his tweets. He's telling us to hold, and we're just starting, that 30 million is coming soon. And we can also see Phantom tweeted about the video. Sorry for the slow reply, OBU, I was unavailable. Wow, like see a whole, we can see Phantom influencing for Davido's token. We can see Solana influencing for the Davido token. This is just great. This is big, guys. So this is not financial advice, and ensure to do your own research before you go right ahead to this trade. I hope this video has been helpful, guys. Ensure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video for to friends and family who will also want to get in on the Davido token and do not know how to do it. All right guys, thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.